Hi everyone, this is Angie, and today we're gonna play the game called Guess My Animal. Frick you. I just found this game yesterday, and I thought, that I can do a little video about it. So let's try to play. I'm gonna choose eagles. I like eagles. They're nice.
No.
Eat plants?
Yes.
Oh, it eats plants. It eats plants. Okay. Nope. Does it walk on four legs?
Yes.
Yes. I think it's cow.
No.
No, it's not a cow. It's not a cow. Nope.
No.
It's not, bro. Okay, is it a farm animal?
No.
No, it's not. Does it live in trees? Yes, it does. Does it live? Nope. Okay. Nope. A falcon? Nope. Does it lay eggs?
No.
No. Okay, so it's a mammal. It's a mammal. I think it's a mammal.
No.
A mammal, okay. Mammal. I think it's elephant. No.
Yes.
Does it make loud sounds?
No.
Nope.
No.
I think it's a giraffe.
No.
No. Okay. Nope. So it has to be deer? No. Then what it is? What did you choose? Oh my god. Nope. But you're close. Okay, is it active at night?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, you got it. Freak you. No. Okay, I'm gonna choose whatever. Do you wanna play? I guess it's no. Leave. I'm gonna pick a fox. What the heck? Why nobody wanna play with me? Okay, I'm gonna choose a jellyfish. Freak you! Why nobody wanna play with me? Hopefully someone wants to play. I hope so. Fine. What's that with the gorilla? Can I go? Nope. I can't go there. Oh, this girl. Okay, I will choose Swan. Is it a farm animal?
No.
Why again? Whatever. Guys, nobody wanna play with me. Frick you. So yeah. Have a nice day and write in the comment what game you wanna play next. And see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.